I never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man want to speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Because Shakira, Shakira. Oh, Bitcoin, when you dump like that, you make the altcoin go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my dodgy. I'm on tonight, you know my wicks don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it's right. All the attraction, the tension, don't you see? This is perfection. Oh my goodness, man. We have Bitcoin dumping to $16,646. Assalamu alaikum and everyone. And you know what? The best part is that Shakira told you this song 10 years ago. You know, she said, hey, my wicks don't lie, okay? So wicks do not really lie. Look at that wick to the upside. I mean, if you go into the weekly time frame here, and guys, I'm really bad at singing anyway, but you know what? That was fun, isn't it? So look at that. Look at this wick. Wick. This time it has actually been a wick rejection, and especially when you have a very strong sell-off like that on the weekly, it shows you one thing and one thing only, that Bitcoin has started its journey officially to $10,000. Okay, we're on. It's game on. Game on to $10,000, and I cannot stress enough that this is a pattern that tells me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, fake out and a drop down, came back, retest, rejected. That is a perfect pattern ever. This is perfect as it comes, okay? You cannot argue, I mean, there's no debate that is a clear descending triangle pattern, and it's meant to drop down to $10,000. Because once again, why not take this top here to the bottom of that descending triangle? This is where you broke out of. This is where you're retesting, and that's where you have your target. $10,700 is your next technical target, ladies and gentlemen, and we are close to $8,500. I don't know what's gonna happen after $8,500. Do you bottom out here? Do we have more continuation patterns to move to $6,000 or $5,000? Are we going to lose everything? Is Bitcoin gonna go to death and come to $3,000? Are we gonna go down? I don't know. But the thing is, I'm not afraid either. I'm not scared of what's about to happen, because you see, we got the charts, and I just learned one thing about trading. The best of the best traders, do you know what they do? They don't make predictions. I mean, maybe I've been wrong all along telling you that this is my prediction and this is my this and that. Actually, more than prediction, this is my reaction to the market. This is how the market is reacting right now. And using the charts, that's my reaction, okay? Like, hey, this is a descending triangle. I'm reacting that this wants to move to $10,000. If we come down to $8,500 and we get more stupid patterns to move lower, I'm gonna react accordingly. If we actually get the patterns to move higher, you are going to get to know that. I would like to see when you come down here, you start to make some inverse head and shoulders. Number one, I would like to see maybe making a falling wedge like this. Number two, so any bullish reversal pattern, even an ascending triangle will do the trick, okay? Make an ascending triangle, pop out of it and start to move higher. We need a reversal pattern on this weekly, on the monthly time frame, on the daily time frame as well. So if we do come down to $8,500 and we start to print all those reversal candlesticks, that will be amazing. Now, before I close the video, there's this one more particular scenario that is about to happen because Sunday is coming in. Saturday just started off, and it started off with a bang, and I love every single red candle that is happening because I got to save my money, by the way. And yeah, you know what, I've actually decided to open up the signals joining from today. So if you guys want to join the signals, you can now do so, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I'm opening this one up today. Alright guys, I'm not a person from the future, and this was posted in November Tuesday, and this is my private signals, by the way, on Discord, and the link is in the description of the video. So what I said is November did its part by dropping Bitcoin below 17,000 from nearly 23,000. The prices can remain sideways between 15,700 and 17,600. And this was like 17-18 days ago. But December can be ugly. The first 1 or 2 weeks might be normal. After that, drops can start, okay? And I see a possibility of Bitcoin to move up to $18,200 before dropping next month. So this was back in November, and notice how I even told everyone that the first 1 or 2 weeks are actually gonna be normal, okay? And the first 2 weeks of December was actually normal. If you notice, the updates were made when Bitcoin was trading at this zone right here, and I said that 1 or 2 weeks is gonna be normal. It was normal actually. 3 weeks was actually normal, nearly. And then from there, you can see that the chaos started and we started to move even lower. There's one more last message for why I'm actually recommending you to join the signals again. The second point is that leads me to warn you of a mid-month reversal. The first 2 weeks is to train people that everything is okay, since it takes 21 days to adapt to a change or behavior. Crypto has done that, and people have a feeling of pumps, but that may not happen. From this point onwards, let's see the next 2 weeks and observe as December seems to go below $15,000. So I'm still actually expecting for Bitcoin to move below $15,000, and the price of this one is just $10 for you being here for 40 days. I mean, if you pay now, 17 December, or if you start to pay in the very beginning, or 20 December, whatever, you get those days for free, you get December for free, and your subscription starts in January, so you're getting a lot for what you're paying, even less. And that's all about this video, guys. Do check out the signals for those who are interested as well. And yep, so this is one evening start that we're about to make as well for Bitcoin, so be careful in the next coming. Until Sunday, I do expect a drop to $16,200 and then move even lower to 14,000. Alright, so it's very simple. One way to join is to come down to Discord here. The link is in the description of this video. So that's the link in the description right there for Discord, and once you go to the Discord, you can watch this video right there on the announcement tabs and watch the agreement on how to join. Or you can just, if you want to watch the whole video, you can just click on the signals agreement right there. Anyone who's interested in trading, you can check that link for trading as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. Gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.